Okay, it's April 26, year 2009. Today we're going to test flight our vintage
Kalt Baron.
called what?
50. Uh,
Kalt Baron.
Yes.
Kalt Baron 50 size. It's a vintage helicopter. I guess this helicopter is more than 30 years old.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes.
This is one of their first collective pitch helicopter. Let me show you. There! Look at the vintage helicopter. Kalt. Look at the engine and the head. It's very crude. Okay, very crude in design and very simple, no? Looks very easy to maintain. Look at the tail drive, single piece, and look at their collective pitch for tail control. Look like just like a original helicopter. See, very vintage. Very simple to maintain. Looks simple, huh? Very. Look at the gyro. It's even using a mechanical gyro made by KO. It's using a mechanical gyro. Okay. Even the servo itself is vintage. Is it original servo?
Yes.
Or we bought it brand new?
Yeah. It's original.
Original servo?
Yeah.
505, oh. And the gear and the engine mount. Okay, let's try it.
Okay. Here muna ako ah.
Okay. This is a very classic look. See, it has a two switch, one for the gyro and one for the main radio. Okay. The plastic, still looks original. The only new electronics here is the radio by this using a JR. It's still we're using a narrow band radio, and the swatch plate is very old. This one is not inline. See. Okay, we're going to fly it. Let's see how it's fly, the old helicopter. Yeah, we purchased a brand new blade. We make sure it's also made of wood, so to maintain its classical look. Okay, there. Ha ha ha. Okay, let's see how it fly.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's start. Okay.
On.
So
Yeah.
so you can hear the motor spooling up. That's a classic gyro.
Okay.
Sige, try to adjust the collective pitch.
Oh.
I'll show them how it trim up.
Uy.
Ano?
Why did you trim it?
Ano?
No need.
No need, ano?
Oh.
Gitna lang?
Oh. Everything's
Diba?
centered oh.
Center lang, ha?
Yeah. Everything's centered.
Okay, well, just put it on center. Let's see. Oh, galing, ha? It's very similar to the Kalt Electric.
Yes.
The pitch, oh. Okay. Go ahead. Naipit. Yeah.
Saan? Tama na?
Okay.
Tama na?
Yeah.
Sige. Up mo.
Okay, up on. What's that noise? What's that noise? I can hear the noise. Yeah. I heard Is that normal?
Yeah, normal.
Okay, now she's going to fly it. Is that normal, the sound?
Yeah.
Wow, looks good. Ganda, looks good, ah. I love the simplicity, the design. Ganda.
Ito, di ba?
Using OS engine,
OS.
OS 50.
50.
This is a very classic helicopter.
Yung left rudder niya, hindi lang masyadong
Oh. Very sensitive ba yung rudder?
sensitive. Yung right niya mas sensitive eh.
Aha.
Siguro hindi naka-set up na mabuti pag gano'n, no?
Yeah, as long as naka-center siya. Hindi center, ba't naman naka-center siya?
Ano yun?
Sige, sige. Testing lang, testing lang. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Hop! Dala, dala. Dala. Okay, that's it. Very good. Piloted by Chris. Okay.
Alright.
Let's go to the other side.
Yeah, yeah.